Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 12. This week, we're starting to get moving on our multimodal presentation, which is your last major project for this class. So this week, you will engage in the large group workshop. This will work a little bit differently because it's a multimodal presentation and you can't comment using track changes in the same way that we have in the other assignments. So instead, you're going to open this shared Google document where you will type your response to the workshop and then just put your name in parentheses behind your response so we can all see what you had to say. And you should be directing your own reading this week. You will choose one important source of information. I want you to provide me with the full APA citation for it and give me a summary of the source, telling me why it's important for this project. And really what are the most important parts of the article or source that you're using. So we're working up towards the multimodal presentation in week 15. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Take care, everyone.